Good morning, student. Today we discuss about mechanism of the breathing. Already we have discussed only for a structure of that respiratory system. Today we going for mechanism of breathing. Okay. First of all, what is meaning breathing? Breathing is a movement of air into the lungs. That is occurs gases exchange from CO2 is, goes out from the lungs. This is called as a breathing. Okay. This is due to done by creating pressure gradient between the lungs and atmosphere. Okay, that pressure is vary from atmosphere and the lungs. That is causes main things for the breathing. Okay, first you see in your book is given some two differentiate activity or process. One is inspiration and another one is expressions. Okay, you see first one is inspiration. Inspiration means intake of that air. First one we see atmospheric air is drawn in inside of the lungs, that is called as inspirations. Okay, pressure within the lungs, that is called as intrapulmonary pressure, that is less than the atmospheric pressure, that is called as inspirations. Okay, you see negative pressure inside the lungs is there and the positive pressure outside atmosphere is there. Okay, this is called as inspiration. Next is this side expiration. Expiration is called as air is released from the lungs or alveolar, that is air sac. Okay, that alveolar air is reduced out, that is intrapulmonary pressure is more than the atmospheric pressure. Okay, here less than, here more. You note down, this is called as some of very very important terms. Next, this inspiration is initiated by the contraction of the diaphragm. Diaphragm already you know, one of the thin membrane is divided into the abdomen region and thoracic regions. Okay, this is this membrane only is started diaphragm. This is increase the volume of the thoracic chamber. Thoracic chamber already you know, that is a lung situated area, that is called as thoracic chamber. Okay, that is increase anterior posterior axis is up and down area. Okay, that is called as a inspiration area. Some of the happen here. Expiration time, that diaphragm automatically relax means automatically that will reduce the size. Okay, next, what are the things is used in that inspiration exercise? Diaphragm, external and internal intercostal muscle, this is also involved in the inspiration and expiration. Okay, how is inspiration or expiration is taking place? You see, first one is expiration. Expiration is a contraction of the external intercostal muscles, lift up the ribs. This is due to, this is causes to the expiration. Next side you see inspiration, intercostal muscles return to the diaphragm. Original position comes to the, this is called as inspiration, caused by inspiration. Next, another one, sternum. Sternum is a center bone in that. This is connected both side ribs, sternum, that is increase the volume of the thoracic chamber. Okay, that is also inspiration cavity. That is also tarsoventral axis. You see, I thought this is changed. This is inspiration, this is expiration. Okay, next this side also sternum is comes to the normal position, reduced into the thoracic volume. Same side, you see the difference. Next one is reduce the pulmonary volume. Automatically if expiration, pulmonary volume is reduced. In the inspiration, automatically thoracic volume is increased. That is pulmonary volume is. During that inspiration, air also is moves into the lungs. Okay, this is normal explanations only for that inspiration. Okay, this is as already explained. Inspiration, what is expiration? You note down this also. This is very very important. Okay, next one. This is both side, inspiration and expiration, additionally helped by some of the muscles in the abdomen also. Okay, one of the normal healthy persons use a respire per minute 12 to 16 times. This is average. Okay, next and another, your volume of air during the breathing time, this is measured by one of the instrument. That instrument called a spirometer. Okay, this is also helpful for identification or measure to the volume of the air during the respiration or pulmonary functions of the lungs also. Okay, this is called as a spirometer. Next we will going to see also is some of the explanation. First one is 4 items very very important. One is a tidal volume TV. Okay, the volume of air inspired or expired during the normal expirations. This is very very important. tidal volume. Approximately is a 500 ml. For healthy man approximately 6000 to 800 ml can respire the air. And another inspiratory reserve volume. Inspiratory means additional volume of air a person can inspire by forcible inspiration. If you forcible inspiration means additional tidal volume that will take 2500 to 3000 ml. And another expiratory reserve volume. This is also additional tidal volume of their expiration. This is average to 1000 to 1100 ml. And the fourth one is a residual volume, RV. Okay, this is called as a volume of air remaining in the lungs even after the forcible expirations. Okay, average is a 1100 to 1200 ml. Okay, this is 4 items is very very important based on only some of the another explanation also given in your book. See, first one is a inspiratory capacity IC. Total volume of the air person can be inspired after a normal expiration. This is total volume plus inspiratory residual volume. Okay, both. And another one is expiratory capacity EC, can expire after a normal inspiration. This is TV, tidal volume plus expiratory residual volume. And another functional residual capacity, otherwise called as a FRC, volume of air that will remain in the lungs after a normal expirations. Okay, this is expiratory residual value plus residual value. Okay, and another vital capacity VC, maximum volume of air per person can be breathed in after forced expiration. This is also ERV plus TV plus IRV, 3 items included. Next, another 5th items, total lung capacity TLC, total volume of air accommodated in lungs at the end of the respiration. This is RV plus ERV plus TV plus IRV or VC plus RV. Okay, this is also some of the explanations also you should be observe or remember and practice it even after anybody question paper is there. Okay, thank you for watching. Continue support our channel, subscribe, share, comment.